Hola, bebé. What are you doing? Huh? Sebastian. Sebastian? Sebastian? Are you talking to the trees? Hi, Dada. We having a little excursion? Is that the word? Excursion? We investigating. We are learning about trees. Sebastian is talking to the trees up there. We're just sitting on the side of the road, enjoying a little bit of what is it called? Oh my God, I can't remember the word. But we are under a tree, so the sun is not in our face. Sebastian is like amazed with the nice weather, talking to the trees. You know I'm talking about you, don't you? Right, Sebastian? Sebastian. Talk to the trees so Daddy can see how you talk to the trees. Seba. Sebastian. Send Daddy a kiss. Kissy kissy Dada. Kissy kissy Dada. What is the sound? What is the sound, Sebastian? Huh? Is that the wind? Is that the wind moving the branches and the leaves? Talk to them. Ask them how is the weather gonna be for our road trip. Yeah, ask them that, baby. Alrighty, monkey. Daddy monkey. We got